Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today, in general knowledge session, we are going to start fourth lesson, award-winning Indians. Everyone wants to be successful, as a individually, as a team, or an organization. What is it that pushes some people to the very top of their field, be it in business, sports, or entertainment? The qualities like ambition, hard work, determination, realistic optimism, intrinsic generosity, mutual respect, maximizing opportunity, constant curiosity. These qualities helps them to achieve their goals. APJ Abdul Kalam, first Asian recipient of Hoover Medal. Rahul Dravid, first Indian recipient of International Cricket Council. Jagjit Singh, first Indian awarded to the UNESCO's Kalinga Award. In this lesson, we will learn more about the winners of India. Let's start. Can you name these international awardees from India? First question is, he was the first Indian to win the Magsaysay Award in 1958 for community leadership. Answer is Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Magsaysay Award is given to Asian individuals for outstanding contribution in government service, public service, community leadership, journalism, literature, and creative communicating arts, peace and international understanding, and emergent leadership. In 2019, Ravish Kumar received this award in appreciation of his TV show Prime Time. Second question is, he is renowned anti-child labor activist who won the Robert F. Kennedy Human Rights Award in 1995. Answer is Kailash Satyarthi. He is an Indian social reformer who accompanied against child labor in India and advocated the universal right to education. Kailash Satyarthi and his team Bachpan Bachao Andolan have liberated more than 81,000 children from child labor, slavery and trafficking. He also awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 2014. Third question is, he was the first Indian to be honored with a Lifetime Achievement Oscar Award. Answer is Satyajit Ray. He was a film director, screenwriter, author, music composer, and graphic designer. In 1992, the Academy of Motion and Picture of Arts and Sciences awarded Satyajit Ray an honorary Oscar. Fourth question is, she won the Booker Prize for her book The God of Small Things. Answer is Arundhati Roy. The novel won the Man Booker Prize for Fiction in 1997 and became the best-selling book. It is written in poetic magical language. The novel paints a picture of life in a small town of Kerala. Fifth question is, he is the great musician who won Grammy Award for his album Full Circle. Answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar. It is originally called Gramophone Award. It is presented by the Recording Academy to recognize achievement in the music industry. In 2002, Pandit Ravi Shankar received Grammy Award for Best World Music Album Full Circle. He also won this award in 1968 for West Meets East, in 1973 for the concert for Bangladesh, and in 2013 for the Living Room Session Part 1. Sixth question is, this famous physicist Who won the Nobel Prize for Physics Raman effect in 1930? I know students, you know the answer. Correct. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Nobel Prize is awarded for outstanding contribution for humanity in chemistry, literature, peace, physics, and physiology or medicine. The Academy of Sciences has awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics 1930 to Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman for his work on scattering of light and the discovery of the effects named after him, Raman effect. Seventh question is, the great personality and poet received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. He was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize. Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He was Bengali poet, writer, music composer and painter. Gitanjali is best known collection of poetry for which he was awarded Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Students, 8th question is cancelled from your textbook. So next question is ninth question. He is the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize Economics in 1998. Answer is Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist and philosopher who received Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences in 1998 for his contribution to welfare economics. Received over 90 honorary degrees from universities around the world. Students were completed the question answers. Do you know, students, the Oscar Award is the popular name for the awards instituted by the Academy of Motion, Picture and Arts and Science. The Oscar Award is an international recognition of excellence in cinematic achievement. A.R. Rahman in 2009 for movie Slumdog Millionaire received Oscar Award for Best Original Score. Students, we have completed fourth lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. You have to identify the name of the award with the help of given clues. First clue is the highest civilian award of the Republic of India instituted on 2nd January 1954. Second clue is state emblem of India placed in the center with the national motto Satyameva Jayate, an image of the sun along with the name of the award. Third clue is first recipient of this award Sri Rajgopalachari, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman. Fourth clue is in 2019, this award was awarded to Nanaji Deshmukh, Bhupen Hazarika, Pranab Mukherjee. Yes, what's the answer, student? Bharat Ratna. Correct. Students, we have completed fourth lesson, award winning Indians. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care.